Hi everyone, I'm Margo.
And I'm Irene.
And we're Honestly Margo.
We're a clean bath and beauty company. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we strive to create products that make you feel beautiful and bring out your inner confidence in beauty. So we put together a few of our frequently asked questions, the things that we get asked the most.
All the time.
All the time.
Because we do get asked a lot of questions.
So first we're going to start with, how did you start Honestly Margo? So this is one of the basic ones. How did we get started?
Especially because we're a mother-daughter team and she's so young.
Yeah, so people are, did mom put
What
you into
happened?
it? What happened?
How did this happen?
So I was making lip balm in the kitchen when I was 11, and then my friends all loved them. I was always trying to come up with different businesses and things to make money. It was just fun for me. So when lip balm was selling to my friends, mom said to me, hey, do you want to
make this a real, but yeah, you want to really make this a business.
And the first thing I said was, there's no way. We do not live in LA or New York. We're from Oklahoma City. She said,
that makes no difference. You can, if you dream big, anything can happen, and you work hard, then we can make something happen. And here we are, years later, almost a decade later, we started out with 3 little lip balms, and now we've got over 90 SKUs that we sell to stores across the country and on our website at honestlymargo.com.
Yeah, so it's a pretty crazy journey along the way.
It's awesome.
Through school, through growing. The business has grown as I have grown.
Mm-hmm. It's so cool.
You did not know a ton about this kind of product-based business before.
No.
So we're both learning along the way.
Yes.
Okay, next question. Where did your love of beauty come from?
Okay, I'm going to go first with this. So my love of beauty, first of all, I had no idea that we would have a bath and beauty company, but I always was a beauty girl. My mom did hair for 40 years, and she also knew makeup artistry, she knew esthetician stuff. So I grew up as a little girl always watching her in awe. I remember being 8 years old learning how to contour because she was doing it back then. So I always was this kind of always put myself together kind of girl. So when Margo started making lip balm, it kind of fell into that category. And so I like how beauty just makes me feel. When I fix myself up, I like the confidence that it gives me when I go about my day. And I know, if I come across people, I have one chance to make a first impression, so I know I'm always looking my best and feeling my best. So I just naturally just love beauty. That's just me.
And I got that kind of from you, I guess. If anyone knows me personally, they know I'm a lot. We're very similar.
Mm-hmm. It's a generational thing,
I think it is a generational thing. I don't know.
And there's nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong with it. But Mom and I are very similar in the sense that I do love beauty and taking care of myself. And I used to watch you put your makeup on in your bathroom. So now we actually get to create things for other women together, and it's really fun.
And we like to see what we like and what we think what we enjoy and what we think you guys will enjoy.
Yeah. We'd like to do things that we believe you will truly love. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The next question. Where are your products made and what are they made of? So our products are made all here in the U.S. We get this asked all the time. And we also, all of our ingredients are clean ingredients. Some of our products are all natural. Some of them are organic. But all of our products are made with clean ingredients here in the U.S.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yep. Next question. How do you guys work together while you're in college?
Aha. So we strategize, we divide and conquer. There's things that I know that she's able to do easier with her schedule. We have lots of Zoom meetings. And we just kind of delegate the things that we know. I try to take pressure off of her when she has a heavy workload. And when I have heavy personal workload with my family, she takes a load off of me. But I think our talents, we utilize our strengths and weaknesses.
To our best ability.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes it can be stressful with school, though, trying to manage and balance everything. But Mom definitely helps take the pressure off. But we have to stay organized, and we keep our communication up. And communication is key. Because if we did not have good communication,
absolutely,
then everything would fall apart. But because our communication is great, that it works really well.
Absolutely.
So yeah, how do I manage school and work? That was kind of similar to that.
Yeah.
So just prioritizing when I need to do school things and do work rather than go hang out with my friends or
and
go
there's
paint.
sacrifices that
sacrifices that I do have to make. Like, I can't go to every party, can't go out all the time. You know, there's times when I have to go to Oklahoma City to miss to get work done here, but
it's worth it.
It's so worth it. Because,
it's worth it.
That brings me to my next question. What do you love most about Honestly Margo? So you go first.
There's a couple things I really love about Honestly Margo. Like we said earlier, I never once would have thought I would have had a bath and beauty company, let alone that with my daughter. So I think one of the things I love most is being able to work with my daughter. That's a really special thing, that she's my child, but yet at the same time we're business partners. So it's a balance, and it's a challenge at times, but it's also the biggest gift that a parent could ask for. It's what a cool experience this has been. But the second thing I love most is I love us coming up with new ideas and new products that we want to launch and new things that we have to bring to you guys. I think that's like the creative part of what we do.
Yeah.
And it's exciting and it's fresh and it's exciting.
Fun.
It's fun. It's a lot of fun.
I would say my favorite part of Honestly Margo is I love the day-to-day of running the business. That's so much fun, and I love doing that with you. But I think I love when I get to see people using the things that we actually make.
Oh, that's cool.
So when little girls are telling me how much they love the whip soap, or when I see my friends wearing the Wonder Femme Beauty Sticks out, that's what makes me so happy.
Mm-hmm.
So that's really cool.
Yeah.
And to have an impact in someone's lives, whether that is small, like helping you feel beautiful, that is huge to me. It makes a big difference in my day-to-day life how confident I appear. So that's why I love Honestly Margo.
That is a cool aspect when people say, "Oh my gosh, I love your lip gloss," or "I love your
or like
beauty
the
sticks."
Serenity really helps my headaches, my migraines. I'm
yes,
like, that makes me so happy.
Yeah, that's very rewarding for sure.
So, thank you guys for listening. That's just a little bit about us.
Check us
out.
Check us out, honestlymargo.com. Follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, and TikTok.
Yeah. I'm Margo.
And I'm Irene. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so a lot of times I get asked, how do you use your Wonder Femme Beauty Sticks? So I'm going to show you guys here how I do my makeup in just a few minutes here using my 4 beauty sticks. Here I'm using my foundation. So I just put on whatever's underneath as normal. So whether you use foundation, I use foundation some days. Some days I just go to class, I just throw on my beauty sticks. And I put some mascara on and I go. But today here you see me putting on my foundation. I just use my drugstore foundation. I swear by my Revlon 24. Here I'm putting on my concealer. So before I even get to my beauty sticks, the beauty sticks are 4 buildable shades that you swipe, blend, and you're good to go. So it's your blush, your contour, your highlight, and your gold highlight. So it eliminates your palettes. It's easy to travel because it's just a few products that is not going to crack. There's no liquid. So I'm just blending out my foundation and concealer. Now we're going to move on to the Wonder Femme Beauty Sticks. So these are the organic sticks that I was just talking to you about. So this is the Sienna Contour color. So you're just going to put this any place you really want some shading. So under your cheekbones, the top of your forehead. If you really want to get into it, you can use it on your nose, and in other shaded parts, like under your chin as well. So I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. You can use a sponge, a beauty stick, or not a beauty stick, a brush if you'd like. Whatever you'd like to use. I'm just going to blend that out. It just gives a nice bronzy tone. And it goes on all skin tones. As you can see, I'm super fair. Now I'm going to use the Amora blush stick. So this one is like a corally pink. It's beautiful. Guys, it's buildable, so if you want it darker, you can add it darker. I put a decent amount on, as you can kind of see, because I'm so fair and I feel like I want some color on my face a little bit more. So I just blend that out just like I did with the sienna. Now I'm going to move on to the highlight. You guys, this is my favorite part. So we have a gold highlight and then we have a white highlight. So Oriana and Stella. So here I'm just going to put on the white highlight and then put it on my cheekbones to give me a nice extra glow. And then the gold highlight, as you can see, I'll use here in a minute, will go above. I put that above my eyebrows a little bit and kind of bring that around. But you can use the gold wherever you please. My mom is a little tanner than me, and she uses the gold actually on her cheekbones, and then uses the white highlight in the inner creases of her eyes. So now I'm going to do my eye makeup. This is just quick and easy. Some days I don't even do this, but I'm going to show you some of the capabilities that these beauty sticks can do. So I just swipe that sienna on, the darker shade in the creases, and then this is the highlight in the inner crease. Again, they have great ingredients. They have matcha, organic ingredients. Yeah, I'm just going to put on my mascara. You can use them on your lips as well. So you'll see here how I use them on my lips. You can mix and play with the colors. You can put more contour on your cheeks if you want and less of the Amora blush. So here I'm going to put the Amora on my lips. And then if you even want, you can add the highlight to give yourself an extra little pout in the middle. So that's pretty much it. That's my makeup routine. When I really want a full face, sometimes I'll add eyeliner. Oh, yeah, I want to show you guys. Full done, ready to go. That's it, quick and easy. Beauty sticks, makeup in minutes. So we get asked all the time. And I just wanted to show you guys. Thank you.